Why is it contagious? This is called the color-changing effect in psychology, because there is a cell in our brain called the mirror neuron. It will be activated when we see or hear someone sneezing, causing us to unconsciously imitate other people's actions. And everyone has the same rationality. This will involuntarily enter other people's state and produce resonance. Therefore, it is associated with sneezing. If you find that you have no reaction to other people's sneezing, maybe you are not familiar with it. After watching this video, how many sneezes did you sneeze? Follow me, I'll show you next time. Why do you have to keep a cat on the aircraft carrier?